So here we have someone rocking mid-length hair, beautiful bangs in the front. I really like her hair color, so she decided to chop off her hair into a cute little pixie. Wow, what a transformation. And then we have another curly pixie switch up here. Oh, I am loving this. Love the texture. Oh, her hair is so pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of long to short transformations. I know this is your favorite kind of video to watch on this channel, so let's get right into today's looks. So here we have someone getting a pixie undercut style. And as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these haircut transformations, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, only if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the hottest hair trends. Oh, I really like the texture that the stylist is creating with this. Oh, this is beautiful. Her hair has so much body and movement. Long bangs in the front. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with long ginger colored hair. Now her hair was pretty long, I'd say about waist length or so, and bam, beautiful pixie haircut. Oh, looks like she got a color refresh too. So gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with platinum blonde hair. So she's kind of doing a little bit of a trim here. So nothing too drastic with that transformation, but I absolutely love the way that her pixie looks. So chic and stylish. I love her platinum hair. And then we have another long to short transformation. So she's going to be getting a bob haircut with this one. Trimming of the bangs. Very nice. I love the layers within that cut. And then we have a shoulder length bob here. You can never go wrong with a shoulder length bob. It's perfect for those that want to cut their hair but not too short. And then we have someone who is going to be going much shorter. Oh, she got a pixie bob. Oh, this is stunning. And then we have another bob haircut transformation. Oh, she got like a French girl style bob. Bangs in the front. Nice tassel texture. Beautiful. And for the bangs, she did go with the bottleneck style. And then we have another bob here. Gorgeous blunt bob. Followed by another bob switch up. Lots of longer bobs in this variation with the video. Oh, so pretty. And of course, the stylist adds in that texture for the tousled look. And then we see someone with natural hair. Wow, switch it up to this gorgeous platinum pixie cut. Absolutely stunning transformation. Alright you guys, I hope that you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.